Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to use iMessage on iPhone and iPad without a SIM and a phone number. So let's begin. For this, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have a really strong internet connection. Since we are not using any SIM or phone number, it is really essential to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. The next step is simply open your Apple account by tapping on the topmost bar available. Now you can see that I have signed into my Apple ID. But in case if you have not signed in, then you must sign into your Apple ID to continue the process. Now go back and scroll all the way down to the message section. Tap on the message section and make sure the iMessage button has been toggled on. If not, simply turn on the button and then click on the send and receive bar. Once you click on it, you have to choose your Apple ID under that section to continue using your iMessage without phone number or SIM card. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.